It's time for MakerBox. MakerBox. Ooh.
Are you starting without us? Hey, where did you get a MakerBox shirt?
I got one for you guys too.
You did? Awesome. We'll go get changed. All right, everybody. So now that we are all dressed in these amazingly cool MakerBox shirts, which if you want one, they are available at printedsolid.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Matt did a fantastic job getting these shirts together, and they are quite affordable. They're really nice. They're very nice shirts. Nice. So, and now we look like the MakerBox. So, and being that we're such big MakerBox fans, we had to have the shirts. And yeah, it's not often you'll see us not wearing a Fun King 3D shirt on stream, but on video, but once in a while. So go ahead and cut that bad boy open. Let's show them what's come. Now we're a little bit later this month. This arrived 2 days ago, but we weren't home yet. We were still driving home from Earth. And I've tried not to read any spoilers. I avoid all posts, social media posts, anything about MakerBox up until the point where I open mine. I like it to be a surprise. I don't want to know what's inside of it. I don't want to know what's inside of it. But I did catch a couple of blurbs where people said, really great box this month. So, but it's a really great box every month. All right, so always with the candy. The candy is always done first. So, the first thing that I have here, and I'm going to have to put on my Superman glasses because the print is so small, but it says exclusive offer for MakerBox subscribers. We're excited to announce our Elixir sample pack. I've made the first 500 available exclusively to MakerBox subscribers. Make this offer a little sweeter, we have a discount code I'm not going to give you for 10% off. Pre-orders open from July 1st. First packs will ship July 26th, I think that says. Head to that website and reserve yours, and that is awesome. That is I'm going to put over that code because you don't want to give it away. If you want that, you get the box, but that is a cool sample pack. So, hey, look at that. Get the shirt. We're like so on top of everything. So, show off your MakerBox love. Order now and we'll include with your next box. No additional shipping charges. I should have mentioned that they did give us the option to have the shirt in the box, or we could pick up at Earth. You don't have that option now because Earth is over. Plus, we ordered 4 shirts. So,
so they would come within 4 boxes.
I don't know how they would handle that. Your mileage may vary. So, but in fact, here we go. I'm going to punch that up and let you see. That is printedsolid.com/products/maker-box-shirt, and tag us to show off your prints. So that is cool. Extra. Oh, that's the coupon codes on the back. Don't want to share those. All right. So you want to do the first one?
Sure. Right. Okay. So this is PC Max White. The hot end temperatures are 250 to 270. The bed temperature is 80. The speed is 30 to 90. The PC Max offers high printing quality, great mechanical strength, high heat resistance, excellent impact strength, and fracture toughness. Build tag and an enclosure advised. Printing in a well-ventilated area is advised for polycarbonate.
Polycarbonate? Okay, so it's a polycarbonate. Build tack and an enclosure is advised.
I can read.
Yeah, I wasn't, well, because like it didn't say polycarbonate until that late, and I was wondering what it was. So let's punch you up and give you guys a shot of that.
A lot of big words in there.
What happens when you start mixing with chemicals? And so that is a Polymaker product, and interesting try. We're gonna have to figure out the whole enclosure. I think we may just take one of the printers out to the garage one day, and then we can print. It's warm enough out there where we won't really need an enclosure, and the fumes won't really be an issue either. It's a garage, so hey, you don't get to do two.
Aww.
Only one at a time. I get to do one, and I want to do this one because it's pretty. This is Engine Lux, and that is a color fab engine blended with reflective materials. Uses reflection to scatter light in all directions. For the eye, it's nearly impossible to spot layering. Ooh,
and this is Polymaker.
Even at 0.2, I did say that was Polymaker.
Oh, you did? Okay.
And thanks for interrupting me. Even at 0.2 millimeter layer height, 85 Celsius temperature resistance, part cooling fan 0 to 30%. So this thing, the hot end temperature is 220 to 240. The bed temperature is 75 to 85. Cold bed is possible, but tricky. And it prints from 40 to 70 millimeters a second. And I'll tell you right now that this image is not going to do this filament justice. This is a beautiful, beautiful filament. It's very shimmery. It's a silver, but it's, I don't know, it almost has a slight coppery tone to it. You got to sit back, buddy.
Okay, I want to read this one.
Okay.
This is a Elixir Gold. The hot end temperatures are 200 to 220. The bed temperature is room to 55. The speed is 30 to 90. A custom PLA blend produces this satin-like surface finish. Adjust temperature to get the best surface finish, and this is also mine.
So satin is not, it's not flat in color, but it's not a glossy color either. Kind of in between. So.
And this belongs to Xander.
I don't see that on there. Did you cover all the temperatures and such?
Yeah, and it's polyalchemy.
It is polyalchemy. Yeah. That is a.
This belonged to Xander filament.
That is a beautiful, beautiful gold color. We'll around so you can read that.
Did you say that this was color fab?
That's color fab, yeah. That is a lovely gold shade. Now, you know, most golds are on the orange side, but you want to take that one out of the box and then I'll read it because I don't think you can read that. Oh, look at, we got a polyalchemy sticker down in there too.
Ooh.
Alright, let me read that because I know you won't be able to. This must be our bonus samples.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
That is definitely definitely got a little bit more weight to it than the others. And this is a push plastic PLA. It is a high quality standard PLA available in many great colors. You can enjoy a 50% extra length in the sample this month. So it's twice as much. And this is made in the USA with 100% virgin materials. Definitely like that shade of red. That is a 190 to 220 Celsius print. The bed temperature of nothing to 60 degrees, prints 30 to 90 millimeters per second. So, and that is a nice shade of red.
It is pretty nice.
It's not orangey. It almost looks like licorice strain.
And it's push plastic.
They said that.
Then I'm not good at paying attention.
Apparently not.
What did you say?
Well, now I'm sad. The MakerBox for this month is over. But it is a pretty awesome box. And so we
man, I like that filament.
So we ended up with a polycarbonate, which puts us a little bit more on the heavy duty side.
And then we got
Elixir
Gold.
Fantastic prints that are samples that are pretty samples will allow us to print exquisite things. You know what?
I just got an amazing.
That's what this was printed with. That's that shade right there. So.
Okay, so I have an idea for printed solid. You don't have to use this. Should, but maybe like put in like a small like sample of like a really cool model, like using like maybe like one of the filaments, or
so
like maybe like
printed solid should print
maybe
something to put in every MakerBox. So they should
Yes.
print like 1,000 things a month.
Yes.
Yeah, Matt, get right on that, would you? Matt, can you please print an item for every maker? I don't think that's going to go over real well with Matt. Or Mike or David.
I didn't think that over.
No, you definitely did not think. That's why you don't run the MakerBox. So, another fantastic month. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you don't currently get a MakerBox, what is stopping you from doing it? It's so easy. There's a link down in the description of every one of our videos to get a MakerBox. Once you are a MakerBox subscriber, you can also get a link, a referral link to get people to help get MakerBox larger. But plus for every three
Larger.
to make it a larger.
Oh, I thought you
for
meant
every
like
three
make the
that
box
you
get
refer
bigger.
out, you actually get one free.
I thought you meant like get the box bigger.
No, we don't want the box bigger. We want this box.
But then it holds more filaments.
No.
Oh.
That's not what it's about.
Oh.
I think 4 samples is a pretty fantastic thing. I think what MakerBox is doing is fantastic, and it's better and better. We look forward to it every month. So hit that link down below and get yourself one. Even if you only try it one time, at least try it one time, because I think that you too will be almost as hooked as we are. I actually filtered those down because they were getting to be too many to put on display. Anything else?
Click
yeah. If you like what we're doing, click that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. If there's something we're doing that you don't like, you want to leave us a thumbs down, we can take it. We would also appreciate a comment along with it to let us know.
It just
what
makes
that
me
you
cry
dislike.
myself to sleep every night.
What, the MakerBox, or that it's over? Oh,
No,
the thumbs down.
The thumbs down.
So,
Ow.
all right. Well, that's it for this month. We'll see you next month. We hope that you enjoyed it. We hope that you like what's inside that box, and we hope that you get one too. And until next time, as always, print on.